November 2018, paper 1, question number 1. Part A says evaluate 3.5 minus 1.9 divided by 0.8. How can we evaluate this? So 3.5 minus 1.9, we can just simplify quite easily. 3.5 minus 1.9. So 15 minus 9 is 6. 2 minus 1 is 1. So 1.6 we can write 1.6 upon 0.8. After point there is one number and after point there is one number, so we can remove the decimal without doing anything. So 16 upon 8, and we can cut it. 8 was the 8, 8 2 was 16. So answer is 2. And then we have to evaluate part B. 9 plus 6 divided by 3 minus 4. Actually, according to board mass, we first have to divide and multiply the number. So this is the division. We do first this. So it become, actually we can write this in fraction. 6 divided by 3, we can write this, and this equation can be write like this. So we first divide 3 1 3, 3 2 6. So it become 9 plus 2 minus 4, because the board mass says we first multiply, divide, and then add, subtract. Add, subtract we do in last. So 9 plus 2 is 11 minus 7, 4 is equal to 7. So answer is 7. Now 15% of 80. So how we find the percentage of any number? So 15% mean 15 divided by 100. Of mean multiply, and 80. So we do some calculation here. So we can cut 0, cut with this 0. So it become 15 upon 10 multiplied by 8. We can further simplify. 5 3 is 15, 5 2 is 10, and then 2 1 is 2, 2 4 is 8. So it becomes 3 multiplied by 4 divided by 1 means 12 upon 1 or 12. So the answer is 12. Now in question 8, this question is from paper 1, question number 1B. So how can we evaluate this question of November 2017? So 90 divided by 0.45. So it is 90 divided by 0.45. After point, there is only point in the denominator, no point in numerator. So how many numbers are in denominator after decimal? There are 2 numbers. So we can just put 2 0 after the 90, and we remove the decimal. After the decimal there was 2 numbers, so we put 2 0 on the numerator and remove the decimal here. So it becomes 9,000 divided by 45. So we can simplify it. 9,000 divided by 45. We can cut from 5. 5 1 is 5. 4 comes here. 5 8 is 40. And then 2 0. And 5 9 is 45. So it becomes 1800 divided by 9. And further we can solve. 9 1 is 9. 9 2 is 80. 0 0. So 200 is the answer of this fraction. Similarly, in question number 2 of 2017 paper 1, when the power is 0 of any number, it become 1. So 9 to the square minus 9 to the power 0 mean 9 to the square mean 9 multiplied by 9 minus 9 to the power 0 mean 1. So actually it become 9 9s are 81 minus 1, so it become 80. So answer is 80. Now in this question, evaluate. So the solution of this 9 to the power minus 1 upon 2, we can write 9 upon 1 to the power minus 1 upon 2, or we can write 1 upon 9 to the power plus 1 upon 2, or we can write 1 upon 9 to the power 1 upon 2, or 1 to the power 1 upon 2. So 1 to the power 1 upon 2 mean 1, or 9 to the power 1 upon 2 mean under root 9. 1 upon 2 mean power 1 upon 2 mean under root. So it can be further write 1 upon under root 3 to the square. So root goes with square, so it becomes 1 upon 3. So answer is 1 upon 3. Now another question. Paper 1 of 2017 June, question number 3. By writing each number correct to one significant figure, estimate the value of. Now whenever estimate is written in any question, so we have to round up the figure. So 58.7 can be written as, we first write the question, 58.7 multiplied by 4.08 and then it is 19.7 to the power 3. So we can write 58 can be written as 60, 4.08 can be written as 4, 19.7 can be written as 20 to the power 3. Or we can further simplify it, 60 multiplied by 4 divided by 20 multiplied by 20 multiplied by 20. Now we can cut 21 the 20, 23 the 60 and 4 1 the 4, 4 5 the 20. So it becomes 3 multiplied by 1 upon 1 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 20. So it can be written as 3 upon 50, 5 multiplied by 20 is 100, or when a number in fraction and there is number is in the power of 10 or the 0. How many 0 are there? 2 0. So we can write 0.03 because it is 20. So we write one number we put ourselves and then 0 and then point. So 20 is here. So before 2 number we put decimal and remove the 100. So answer is 0.03.